Alright, I got the thermostat out, got it in water. This was just a stainless bowl or pitcher or something. But it should do fine. And we're going to use our propane torch. We're going to heat it. We'll check the temperature along the way. And see when or if it opens. I guess while we're doing this, we'll throw the original one in there too. And shoot, for the heck of it, we'll throw our other new one in there. Because if that other new one doesn't work, you know, our next go-to would be this one, I guess. Probably have to use that gasket anyway. And that one's got a little bit of silicone on it. You'll be able to tell which one's which. And what we're going to do is just look for them opening. So I'll set y'all up. Alright, we're getting close. Hopefully the steam's not fogging y'all up. 172. None of them are open. I'm stirring the water a little bit because my little propane torch there you know, is putting flame on about a 2-inch circle, so just trying to make sure the water stays even temperature around. $172, $165, $165, $175. You can see right there is our pinpoint of where, you can see that's where the heat's coming from, right there. Hopefully you aren't fogging up. $179. We're close. Stir that around a little bit. Yeah, this was not a clean pot. It had bolts in it. So there's quite a bit of junk floating around in this water. 177, 180. Did the original one start opening? Yeah, the original one is open. So it opened up. Both of these have not opened. So that one opened a little soon. I got a phone call, so it cut off. That one opened a little early, I think. But these still have not opened. So let's see if once they... 181. Yeah, that one is fully opened at 170 degrees. I don't know if you can see that, but it's open. And it is, of course it's going down, but the Drop it back in there. 181. 179, 180. I've got another new thermostat somewhere. I don't remember where it is. $183. These should be getting really close to opening. $183, $186. That original one, probably the spring, probably just gotten a little weak over time. 185, 186. I don't think they're open yet. They're opening. Both of them are opening. They're not fully open yet. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the stock one out. It is open, open, open. And the other ones, like I said, are opening. A little bit open. And this one is same thing. I can see that, how much they're open, but $186. Close to 188. I want to make sure they fully open. $190. So they should be. I'd say that's pretty much fully open. That's the one that was in it. And this is my other new one. They're open about the same. And this one has cooled off. You can see how it's closed. If we drop it back in, it should open back up. Get a pair of pliers. I can rotate it around better and show y'all. So let's see what our temperature is now. 190. Yeah, we're right at 190. We're 193. We're getting close to a boil. Alright, so the original one, let's see how it's open. Oh. Open. open. That's enough testing thermostats. So we'll go back with one of the new ones. I don't know, I guess my gauge is off. But let's say 188 or 168. Oh, the one that's in here is 168. It's hard to tell. It looks like an 8, but it's actually a 6. Is it? Oh, man, that's hard to tell. I kind of think it's a 6. Yeah, it's a 6. So that's why this one opened sooner. Now I need to do some research. My research showed it should be a 188 in it. But I wonder if it's supposed to be a 168. What? Tell what kind this is. Oh, there's the. Man, it looks like a Ford symbol right there. It is. So that's a Ford symbol right there. Or it looks like it to me. I'm wondering if it's supposed to have a 168 in it. And that's why the gauge was showing it was hot. I'm gonna do some research and see. This one also has a little notch in there to let the air bleed off. That one does as well. So let me do some research. If it's supposed to have a 168, I'm gonna put this Ford one back in it. It's still working, so why not? And then later on maybe we could change it out, but that one is yeah, it's definitely. I'll have to really look at that close with a light. Okay, now that I got the light, let's see if y'all can read that. What was throwing me off, it does not say Ford on it. What it does say, let's see if I zoom y'all in. It says FOMOCO for Ford Motor Company. You see it? FOMOCO. So this is either the original from 1969 or it is a replacement, stock replacement. So I'm tempted to put this back in it, but let me do research. Alright, my research shows it could have come with the 168. Some people run the 188s, but this is the either the original or a original replacement, OEM replacement. So this thing is what, 50 years old? Um, 49 years old. So we're gonna put it back in there. I may get a replacement just because, I mean, it's very possible this thing could go another 50 years. I mean, it's a well-built thermostat, but yeah, we're gonna put it in there and run it. So let me repeat the process of installing the thermostat and throw this one on.